Hey guys, welcome back to the Graham Strategy channel. More than 1 month has passed since the last video and it's time to see how the Graham portfolio has performed during the turbulent past weeks. I start by reminding you that I'm not a financial advisor and I do not make any recommendations on what you should or should not buy or sell. A month has passed since I rebalanced the portfolio and as a result 3 new companies were added, namely SKANSKA, JM and SKF, and 3 were discarded, namely Betsson, Fagerhult and New Wave. So we'll take a look at the new companies, how they have performed since they were added, and we'll also take a brief look at the companies that were removed from the portfolio and see how they have performed since then. Taking a look at the overview chart for the Graham portfolio, we can see that it dipped almost 15 percentage points since the rebalancing in August, while the OMX index dropped only about 6 percentage points. But since then, the portfolio has recovered more than it lost and shows an overall positive gain since last month. The OMX index has also recovered, but not as much, and if we compare the total gain since the start on March 5th, we can see that the OMX index has gained 13%, while the Graham portfolio has gained 46.19%. That is a gain more than 3.5 times that of the index. It's not quite back to the all-time high of 46.68%, but pretty close. After the rebalancing, Betsson, which was sold, has lost quite a lot. It has fallen 31.38%. Also, Fagerhult is down a great deal, minus 13.41%. And the stock that has performed the worst among the new stocks in the rebalance portfolio is SKF, which is down 11%. However, the profit of SKF has developed nicely the last 4 quarters, and if they can keep up this development, there's a good chance we can soon see a much higher valuation for SKF, especially if the stock market stays stable and the economy keeps recovering and growing. The 2 stocks that were kept in the portfolio have both performed better than all of the 3 discarded stocks, namely Bestcab and Boliden. They have performed quite well over the last 6 weeks. There's still a lot of uncertainty out in the markets, and that is due to the money printing of the central banks and the hiking inflation, which may force the central banks to increase the interest rates earlier than forecasted. This should have a bad impact on growth stocks as well on real estate stocks. And as 3 other stocks in the portfolio are housing development and real estate management companies, there is a risk that the portfolio can face a setback in the near future. So that was all for today. Stay tuned for updates on the portfolio, subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive updates when I release a new video. So until next time, as always, stay sharp and follow your passion.